Cream of tomato soup. A healthy, creamy, kid-friendly, versatile, vegetarian classic comfort food preferably served with a side of grilled cheese, cheese sticks, bread or even potatoes. A soup recipe we will be making today on Winnfrey's Kitchen. Let's get started. Winnfrey's Kitchen!
The ingredients we will use are tomatoes, 2 medium-sized carrots, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 large onion, a bunch of coriander stems, 1 cup of double cream. You can also use natural yogurt or maziwa lala. For the seasoning, we will use salt to taste, a half teaspoon of black pepper, bay leaves, sugar, and butter. We will use sugar to reduce the acidity of the onions. So I'll start by chopping off the onions. Okay. And I'm going to chop the coriander stems. I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces. I'm going to dice them up. We are going to blanch our tomatoes for like 3 minutes just to be able to remove the skin. So I'm going to leave it there for 3 minutes. I'm putting it in hot water.
3:28 a.m.
Our tomatoes are ready to be peeled off, and if you want to know that the tomatoes are ready to be peeled is when you see the skin is starting to come out like this. This means it's ready. Now we are going to stop the cooking by putting our tomatoes inside cold water. So now I'm going to deskin the tomatoes. how it looks like once you've descaled them. So now I'm going to chop them into smaller pieces. So in a sufuria, I'm going to put a little bit of oil and my butter. I'm going in with my oil. Coriander, the carrot, I'm going to let this saute for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll go in with my garlic. In my bay leaf. This is basically for flavor. Then I'll go in with my sugar, salt, and the black pepper. At this point, I'm going in with my tomato. I'm going to let this cook for around 3 minutes. If you have a chicken stock or beef stock, you can add it in. And I'm going to let this cook for like 5 minutes. I'm going to cover this. I'll just let this cool. Then we will blend. So this has cooled off. I'm going to remove the bay leaf and I'm going to put this in our blender. We will now reheat the mixture and then add our cream. So gradually, and it's also at this point that you're going to add your seasoning. Ukiona haitatoshea, this is the point to add. Our tomato soup is ready. So now I'm going to plate it.
You can add any light toppings you like on your soup because food should never be boring.
So guys, our cream of tomato soup is ready and it's so yummy.
Do like, comment, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.
Follow for more.